welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tea. Today we're going to be making some peanut butter chocolate energy balls. And I also have a special guest. As usual, I usually have Daddy, but today I have a different somebody. Today I have my mom here to help me. This is going to be probably her first and only time helping me, but maybe a few other times. Come on, get in the video.
Hi guys.
She's going to be helping me with the recipe she actually learned, and I'm going to be helping her with that. So basically, we're kind of both the leaders. Come here. So the first things I'm going to put together are my chocolate chips, my oats, and my flaxseed. You're going to need a quarter cup of flaxseed, a half cup of oats, and then I need this much chocolate chips. And we're making enough to make 1 dozen. So this is how much you're going to need for a dozen. You can make less or even more, but this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to pour my flaxseed. You don't have to do it in the order I'm doing it. I'm just doing it in this order. It's closest to me. I'll do my oats, and I'm going to do my chocolate chips. I'm going to do my wet ingredients. I'm going to do a half teaspoon of vanilla. I have to be really careful because it could totally spill. Oh my god, it's spilled. I jinxed it.
Go ahead, pour in.
Oh, this is so messy. My finger's covered in it. Okay, next time I'm gonna have my mom to help me with that. Cause look how much I spilled, guys. I even spilled it on the green spatula. Now I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of honey.
You're gonna do it twice, 2 tablespoons.
Okay, 2 tablespoons. How do I make this go fast?
Turn it straight up and down.
Wait. Now I'm gonna pour my honey. It has already a little bit in it, but ooh, I'm squeezing it. This goes a lot faster when you squeeze it. Okay, I just learned a new tactic with honey. I'll just put this. Ready? This actually is working.
Okay, pour that in the bowl.
Ooh, yeah. Mom, you should totally do this from now on. You should do the new tactic I found out. You could tell other bakers across the world it's an easier way to do honey.
Okay, what's the other measuring spoon you have in front of you?
I have 1 teaspoon.
You want to do 2 of those.
Of honey?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, this is a lot of honey. Oh my gosh. Honey is like...
That's good.
There's been so many honey things like honey cake, honey bread. I don't even know if honey bread is a thing, but if it is, like, geez. And my brother lost his appetite of honey because
1 more
he
teaspoon.
learned that it's bees throw up. And I think you guys just did too. Mm-hmm. Am I right? Okay. Comment down below if you lost your appetite of honey now because I said it was bee throw up. I didn't because bees are awesome, but I'm afraid of them, yeah, but you guys might have lost your appetite. So now I'm going to pour my quarter cup of peanut butter in here. So you're going to use a spoon or a fork. Just push it. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. Like, it's sticking to me. It's sticking to me. Like, I think I'm gonna need somebody else to do this. Like, I'm so bad. This was a sticky situation. We will get back to you guys in 30 minutes while we're gonna go put this in the fridge. But it'll only seem like 2 seconds to you guys because, you know. So I'm gonna put it right in here. Just enough room to fit. And I'm going to close my fridge. So now we're gonna scoop our things. This is the hardest part, cause like if you're not an experienced scooper like me, then it could take a little bit. It could be a little bit harder for you guys, but I have my mom here to help me. So, and you guys will probably have an adult near you also, so you'll get help. But yeah, I have an adult, so here to help me. As I said, these are just little snacks. If you're thinking, why are they so little, Talia? They are little snacks. Mom, can you edit this part for it to fast forward?
Mm-hmm.
This isn't just my video, it's yours too.
What are you using to scoop them out?
Ice cream scooper. Duh. What does it look like? Hey, don't give me those eyes. Okay, I'm finished. Now I can lick my fingers.
Now what do you do with them?
Oh yes, what do I do? I'm gonna put this in the sink. It's in the sink. Now, I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Use the biggest one to taste it. Okay. That. Slide it in. This is hard work.
How long do they stay in?
It's in for an hour, so we'll see you in an hour. So now I'm going to get my peanut butter balls out of the fridge and set them on plates.
The freezer. They're in the freezer.
Oh, the freezer. I'm silly. I feel like I forgot it in the last hour. Banged my knee. A lot of things have happened since then. Minecraft. Oh, it's so cold. It's super cold. Oh my gosh. This is colder than when I make those pretzels with this help. It's time for a Talia tip. You need to store your peanut butter chocolate energy balls in a container with a closed lid in the fridge so they won't dry out. Go on top. Okay. Let's do this. I don't know why I have such big plates when they're such little treats. Right, Mom?
Yep.
Why did you get these big of a plate? So, got our energy balls here, set on plates. Special guests, come on in. Here's the first one, and here's the second one.
Oh, these look great.
So everybody knows my dad. He's gonna help me in a lot of videos, and my brother who was in the milkshake video. I will change the milkshake. Act like yourself, Noah.
So what do we have here?
We have some peanut butter chocolate energy balls that me and Mom have proudly made.
Oh, great. Can we taste them?
Of course you can.
All right.
Mom, come on.
These are delicious.
I have
Really good.
Awesome job.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up. Be a great mid-morning snack.
Bye, everybody. I love you all. Remember to hit that subscribe button and like to our channel. But for now, bye, and I'll see you next time on Cooking with Tea.